How to upload your first product on Instagram Shop. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how you can get started with uploading your first product on Instagram Shop. So let's get into it. Now to get started, all you need to do is head on over to your Meta Business Suite. So if you already have an Instagram page for your business or a Facebook page, your Meta Business Suite is automatically present. Simply search for Meta Business Suite once you head on over to Google, and then this tab will open up, and then you will just input your basic information. Now, once you have done that, there is a simple method to adding your products, but it might be a little confusing at first because once you have your Meta Business Suite, you need to link your Instagram to it. So if your Instagram is not linking directly, you can simply go into the tools section over here. And once you are in the tools section, all you have to do is go into your basic settings. So you can go into your paid settings from over here. And once you're in your paid settings, you're going to click on linked accounts, and you are going to link the Instagram account that you want to use to sell your product. So simply do that if you are not able to directly reach your Instagram Meta Business Suite. Once you've done that, you are ready to get started with e-commerce and with selling products into your Instagram shop. Now, once you're getting started, all you have to do is click on commerce on the left side of your screen over here, and adding products is very simple and easy. Once you do that, once you click on e-commerce, you can see you can add products to start selling, and for that you simply need to click on catalog over here, and once you click on catalog, click on items. Once you click on items, you will be able to see this section over here. In this section, all you have to do is click on add items on the top right of your screen. And once you do that, you have two basic options. So if you want to do bulk adding, you can click on add multiple items, or you can click on add one item. I'm going to click on add one item, and then you're going to provide all the basic information for your product. Now, there are two versions that you can do this with. First off, you can do the basic information one, and this will add a simple product. Or the second version is that you can turn on the advanced version, where you can add an image, title, description, website link, all the basic information, but you can also enter brand information, you can also enter content IDs, you have display options, and you can also create variations of a singular product. So this is something that most people do use when you're selling a product that has sizes, or that might have color variations, or that might have customizations. So once you do that, once you have turned on advanced or turn it off depending on the type of product that you are selling, you're going to enter your main image. Now, a lot of people skip through this and just will tell you to upload your image, but there are a few tips and tricks I would like to let you guys know. So first off, if you want to take a professional image of your product, you can just take any random image of the product and go on to remove.bg and upload the file over here, and you can remove the background from your product image and then add animations or just simple plain colors to make your product pop more. I'm just going to take a sample product image from Google over here, and I'm just going to save this image in front of you guys, and I will upload it into my Meta Business Suite. So from here, I will upload my image. Now it says the image needs to be at least 500 by 500 pixels. Obviously this image is falling short. So you can simply go into Canva, which is another amazing platform, and you can click on custom size over here. And I'm just going to enter 600 by 600 pixels, and then you can go on ahead and upload your image over here and add some frames or some decor to the sides of your image just to make it look more professional. So just taking a simple image like this, I can download this. You can enter a brand logo to the bottom of your images as well to prevent anyone else from using your images in their product images as well. So once I've done that, I can drag and drop this onto the basic information. Then I have the title. So the title is what the product is going to show up as, and it's very essential that you go on ahead and add something that is going to be descriptive of the title, as well as a good fit for your overall brand. If you are a smaller Instagram business, maybe making very niche titles is going to be difficult, so try to describe the product a little within the title. For this, I will just enter basic black t-shirt or basic t-shirt. So I'm just going to enter the title as loose fit t-shirt. Now after that, you need to enter the description. For that, I recommend that for most people, they do want pointers to the exact important or highlighted information within the description. They don't want to read a long paragraph. So first off, you can enter a singular line that describes the product. Now, once you've added a basic description or a basic pointer or line about the product, you're going to put in a space, or you can just press return on your keyboard. Press that twice, and then you want to add a few things in your description. If it is a material item like clothing, make sure that you are describing what the item is made out of. So, the texture or the fabric. So if it is something else, maybe it's makeup, then you might want to, add some of the ingredients in the description of your basic information. You also want to add how many color variations or how many sizing differences there might be. If you have a specific size chart, you should upload that in the main images as well. So any of the highlighted features of your product, you need to make sure that you're able to illustrate those into the basic description. After that, you will have a website link. So this is where you're going to link the product from your website. It could be any website. It could be Shopify, it could be Wix, it could be any kind of website that you might have. You're going to link that over here. So I'm just going to show you guys a very simple sample of a link. And what you're actually going to link is you want to make sure that you're linking the specific product. You're not going to link, the entire website. You want to go into the product section, and you're going to go into the product section and link that specific product. So taking this link from over here, I'm going to copy this and go back into my basic information and click on paste over here. And then I have the website link. Now after that, I have the price, and I can enter the price of the product. And then I have the condition. So let's say this is going to be a new product, and then you can also choose a category. So you have multiple different categories like patio and garden, pet supplies, supporting goods, vehicle parts, toys and games, toys and accessories, arts and crafts, so on and so forth. We're going to go with clothing and accessories, and within that, the specific category is clothing. Make sure you are tagging your items properly in the category section, because Facebook recommends them accordingly, so make sure all this information is valid. Now, if I want to include more details like sizes, I would turn on the advanced version. And with that, you can add additional images, so you can add multiple different images, and usually I would recommend adding a listing as a advanced version. So you're supposed to add a size chart. I would recommend that for most people. Now after that, you're going to click on next over here, and you're going to show whether or not this item is active or in stock. Then you also have the next section, which is category details, where you can describe things such as color, pattern, materials, sizes, the gender, and the styles. And you're going to just click on next, and then you can create variants. So if you add variants, then you can add multiple different variants like color, material, size, and you can also add different pricing for a different type of item. So let's say that a certain color or a certain material within a certain product that you are selling costs more, then you can enter a higher price for that. But I'm just going to continue with our basic listing over here. And you're just going to click on finish, and then once this has been added to your catalog, you can see this item has been added to our items catalog, and you can click on the item over here and click on edit to later on edit your item. You can click on advertise set to advertise a specific kind of product more often, and you can also go on ahead and click on add multiple items on the top, and you can add a manual item to your catalog. Manually you can add items over and over again. You can also enter data feeds where you can upload a XSS file directly onto Facebook or into the Meta Business Suite to get all of your items synced up. Once you've done that, you can go into your shops and begin displaying your items into your Instagram shop. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.